Say hi, Kai.
Yummy.
Give me. Can I see first? Say hi, Kai. Oh, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say hi, Kai.
Yummy. Thank you.
He said, give me, thank you. Hey, cuteness. Hey, cuteness. Are you ready to move? You ready to go? Just chilling over here with all these boxes. It's about that time. Getting ready to get up out of here this week. They're trying to see how to put this damn truck in our driveway that we have a cul-de-sac, so, you know. But yeah, our time is up here. Bittersweet. James ain't here yet, but he'll be here soon. He's checking out of his job and all that good stuff. Oh, they finally got it in. Nice.
Damn, the whole truck.
It all fit.
Damn.
I wasn't thinking that was gonna fucking fit. Like,
Yeah, she's crazy.
barely making it. See, you right there is barely making it. But it worked out.
Yeah, you still got some more stuff we gotta take by ourselves, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, say goodbye.
I know, right? Our very first house. Do some cleaning. Already started. It's a little blurry, but let's see. Here we go. This was Solomon's room. I already kind of fixed it. Looks kind of brand new, right? I know. I did a good job. I know. But yeah, so yeah, we're about to head out in a few days. Just got some cleaning to do. The new people move in on Thursday. So yeah.
Guys, so it's our final day. Little James, we got Solomon, Anisha, and me. You know, it's our final day here. You know, in the lovely house, our first house we ever bought. You know, so, you know what I mean? Y'all been on this journey with us. You know what I mean? This whole time, all the things that we repaired in this house. So, just one final walkthrough. I ain't cut it. I ain't cut it, whatever, you know, the trims or trees and anything, whatever, but or the grass. I should have did it. We're waiting on that issue. Something going the wrong way. Yeah, so had a good time in this house. A lot of things we changed about it, whatever. So this is one of them.
You trying to come back in here?
I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss this house. Solomon mad. Solomon crying because he's gonna miss the house. Nah, I'm joking.
You don't want to come in here. Okay, go.
Yeah, so y'all seen how we did the backsplash. Everything's all done and cleaned up. I'm letting them keep that fridge, whatever. So, what you like? Yeah, what you liked about the house, Jay?
Until he goes outside.
You wanna go back outside?
He's trying to leave.
Huh? Come on, let's go.
Well, 6 months pregnant without moving. With Solomon ass.
Yep. Now
6 months pregnant.
And Solomon's still crying. Alright, so this is our main bedroom right here.
Huge.
Yes, you know what I
They
mean?
would have fit 2 king-size bedrooms.
Yep, so, you know, our walk-in closet, whatever. Oh, yeah, get that trash up. I'm glad we did do this walk over. We forgot these candles too. Up here.
I'm leaving that because I don't know where to put it. You know, like when you move, you leave stuff or you just put stuff in the trash. Well, there you go.
Yeah, we had to replace those LEDs. Whatever, so.
Oh yeah, you replaced these. I mean, well, you added these pictures.
Oh yeah, those knobs, whatever. It wasn't much, whatever. It was cheap, so that's why I just
To
did
make
it.
it look nicer.
Yeah.
Make it look finished.
I've had 2 little closets right there. You know, ain't gotta bore y'all looking at it. Hopefully y'all seen the video when I did the tile in here. We're leaving those washer dryers because, you know, I mean, the new people wanted them. And we didn't care because we're gonna buy new ones anyway, so. But yeah, did the tile on this floor too as well. I'm gonna miss this house, honestly.
Yeah, it's a perfect house for us.
Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all the deck that we did. Y'all already know they ain't go out there, so.
This was a walk-in closet too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We had actually 2 mini walk-in closets.
Yep, so this is our,
Office / guest room.
yep.
Storage.
Mostly our office, because nobody can come see us like that. Nah. Yeah. Little James room.
There's little
Man.
mini walk-in closet too.
Yep. The new people, people that's buying the house saying they master closet wasn't big as Little James closet. I was like,
And they lived in the house. It was renting too.
yep, so.
This Solomon's room, his little corner closet.
Yep.
Perfect for a baby.
Mm-hmm.
Malachi didn't have a room yet. He said, I'm not now, we about to leave.
Yep. We had another closet right here too as well. So, you know what I mean, for the laundry room. So, yeah, man, honestly, you know what I mean? I want to miss this place. You know, we got a lot of good memories. I had to replace the hot water tank. James Solomon wanted to go outside so bad. So, James being a big brother, but yeah, so got any last words in the house?
I don't know, because there's a lot accomplished in this house.
Yeah.
A lot of sweat, tears, all that.
I finished my degree. Anisha finished. You finished your bachelor's and master's in here. So, and we had 2 kids.
And we had 2 kids here.
Yep, so it's the first of many houses that we bought, whatever, and sold. So, you know what I mean, we're gonna keep going and, you know what I mean, keep pushing. You know, so any final words, Lil J?
You're gonna miss the schools, your friends, this cul-de-sac, all y'all boys hanging out.
His brother was up all last night playing video games with the neighbors, so he tired. So, well. All right, y'all, so see y'all next time. Peace.